What's up, everybody? Welcome to Feast of Fiction. Today on the show, we have our best friend, Lauren DIY. Lauren DIY is what your mom calls you, right?
What?
When she gets angry, she's like, Lauren DIY.
Yeah, that's how you call me.
This is the first ever mukbang we're ever doing, and we're not actually eating that much food, but we are eating. We're going to space. Astronaut food.
What?
Yes.
I have, what is this? Ice cream flavored sandwich.
What?
It's an ice cream sandwich.
Yeah, mine's
Why
a
would you call it
Neapolitan
like
one.
that? Flavored ice.
Oh, it's vanilla flavored.
Ice.
Oh, that's perfect
Yeah,
for you.
yeah.
You love vanilla.
Do you
I
like
do.
vanilla?
Yeah, it's my favorite
Loves
ice cream
it.
flavor.
He's so boring.
Yeah.
Why is this a thing?
Just like, why would you choose vanilla when there's cookies and cream and cookie dough and cotton candy
Hey,
and bubble
I
gum?
exactly
mint
had this
chip?
question for him a long time ago.
Even like French vanilla.
Yeah, French vanilla's great too.
Still basic, yeah, still basic. It's like
Thanks.
lower. It's like second to
Thanks.
last.
Sorry.
Yeah.
You know what? Maybe
You
I
get
just
no
have,
street cred.
I have a simple palate.
Well, let us know how that simple palate ice cream sandwich tastes.
Well, what's everyone starting with? I want
We're
strawberries.
Neapolitans.
I'm going Neapolitan too.
Oh, okay. Well, I'll
yeah,
share.
the
Because
two,
there's
the
only one.
two-part
ice cream.
Japanese chicks know what's up.
Oh,
Two-part
yeah.
Japanese, right?
Yeah, are you?
Yes.
You look so white.
I am pretty white, but my
What
dad's
percent
half.
are you? Really? Oh, so you're a quarter.
Mhm.
Got it.
My grandma's full.
Got it.
They come in the actual wrapping that they would if they were in the freezer.
I just can't foresee this being as good as the
And
real
they
thing.
look
There's
I
no
know.
way.
You know?
All right. Well, I'm gonna eat my strawberry, and you
All right.
guys let me know how your Neapolitan is.
Cheers.
Oh, I'm
Donk.
donk.
Oh.
It like disintegrates in your mouth.
Is this ice cream or a cookie?
There was supposed to be the word creamy. It described it as creamy on the back here.
Really?
Yeah. A delicious, crunchy, yet creamy sweetness that melts in your mouth. There was no creamy or melting happening here.
Although, I gotta say,
How can it
this is a
melt?
lot better than how the other challenges we have to do.
Okay, good. There's a lot of vanilla here for me.
I was gonna say,
Basic.
save the vanilla part for him.
Definitely not creamy, but definitely not bad.
Definitely not ice cream.
Definitely not ice cream. Like, nothing close.
Hey, this is false advertisement.
You
Yeah.
said creamy?
Literally creamy. Look at creamy.
It's like a desert's in my mouth right
Yeah.
now.
Freeze dried. That's crazy.
They
I mean,
don't
it
put
does
strawberries?
taste like ice cream, like tastes, like the flavor profile.
Nah, that vanilla was bad.
Was it?
Yeah, and I love vanilla.
Wow.
Any kind of like cereal that has fruit in it though is just astronaut freeze dried as well.
This is great.
That's a good point.
Yeah.
All right, we have peaches. What else do we have here?
Ugh.
This is another ice cream.
No more
This
ice cream
is just-
sandwiches.
No more ice cream
Seedless
sandwiches.
grapes.
What?
Let's
Is that
try that.
raisin?
Yeah. No! That 100% is a raisin. Cinnamon apple wedges. Count me in.
Oh, and banana.
Oh, it looks funny.
Oh, that's terrifying.
That is, what is that not normal looking?
This is
These are
interesting.
These are
They're
good.
They're good.
But the question is, how much sugar are they throwing in this to make it taste good? 11
There's
grams.
only 1 gram.
Wow.
Ready to eat space food.
There's only 1 serving per container, and it's 11 grams of sugar in this whole thing.
I
It's
could
actually not
not
bad.
eat all
It's
this.
not bad.
What's this one? Cinnamon apple wedge?
Oh, it's super.
That's because there's 4 apples in here and they're the size of little peanuts. Ooh, this is really good. This is the best
That
one.
is the best one.
Does it even count as a mukbang? They're just real food.
Yeah, this is real food.
Look,
These are weird.
are these really astronaut food, or is this just like a catchy way to get you to buy it?
It's definitely astronaut branding.
It's not
That's
like.
astronaut bread. I know.
Is it?
I'm sure astronauts don't eat anything like this.
Well, they say that freeze-dried foods have been aboard space missions since the early Mercury mission. I'm sure what they give astronauts is not just like straight fruit and ice cream sandwiches.
Why didn't we see Sandra Bullock in that movie eating this stuff?
Ew, are you rehydrating your food?
Yes, I'm rehydrating it. Yeah. Oh, but my water is all weird colored.
Ah!
Oh.
Wah.
Wow, you really went in
Is
for
it
that.
better?
You did not hold back at all. Oh, that one's not in good shape.
Oh,
This is
snap.
how it came out of the packaging.
It literally says on the back that it's okay if it breaks.
Their
Really?
vanilla flavoring is butt.
It gives it like a creaminess. I don't
As
know.
a true vanilla purist.
This was not the smartest idea. We
We're
could have probably...
We're sharing the Dunkaroo. No, I'm gonna lose my dunk.
You know what these remind me of a lot are the Lucky Charms marshmallows.
Oh yeah.
This
And,
vanilla
and
tastes
the
like
water makes it better, honestly. 'Cause it actually makes it not a dust storm.
Right?
in your
It
throat.
rehydrates it.
We do have a feast lined up, and it does involve an ice cream sandwich that is 1,000,000,000 times better than this.
Oh,
It does.
And it's from one of our favorite shows.
But can you freeze dry it?
I don't want to. It's so beautiful.
Can you do that? Like, can you?
Yeah. How do you?
How do we get here?
We don't ever want to really.
Is it like the vac pack bags you put around it and just?
The freeze drying process seems not easy or fun or short.
I would just rather eat a real ice cream sandwich.
Oh my goodness.
Me
Yeah,
too.
especially if you're just gonna eat so much calories. Like, why? This was a very fun mukbang. How do you say that word?
Mukbang.
I've heard
Mukbang?
mukbang or mukbang or mukbang.
What ethnicity is that word?
It's Korean.
It's Korean.
Which none of us are.
Okay.
Great.
Bummer. Maybe next time we'll get the full representation, but you guys are representing all of Japan?
No,
You guys add up?
We only have
Almost.
75% of the
Yeah.
time.
75%, okay. Wait, you're not drinking
loving-
that water, are you?
Yeah, I was.
Ew! What are you doing?
What?
That
It's
needs to be-
water.
There's like a floating chunk in there.
Yeah.
It's
No,
not.
no,
Oh,
no.
It tastes like water.
Doesn't look like
Doesn't
water.
No. I'm sorry, I'm like grossing y'all out.
Thanks for joining us for astronaut food, or I guess what humans think astronauts eat in space, which is probably similar but not identical to this. I give it 5 stars out of 10.
Out of 10?
We're rating
7.
it?
5 out of 7.
What? That's even better.
Make sure you guys, if you haven't already, there's a very low chance I think, but if you haven't already, you should go subscribe, follow Lauren, and you do amazing stuff.
Oh, thank you. You do also
So
very
creative.
high quality content as well.
Yes, including this video.
Yeah.
Probably the best thing we've ever
Wow.
done, easily.
Oh,
come on.
Jimmy.
But we are making a giant Neapolitan ice cream sandwich from We Bare Bears with Lauren as well, so make sure you guys check out that video.
Yeah,
The
we're
link
gonna
is
do this
somewhere.
justice.
Alright, bye everyone. Make sure you let us know in the comments below if you want to see us make a feast on the next episode of Feast of Fiction.
Yep, and we'll see you next time.
Goodbye.
Bye.